The next video I think is comparing. We have our own Arco DWM. We've done lots of things with it. And one of the things I would like now to investigate is what's the difference between the Arco DWM and the standard DWM. Okay, let's have a look. Let's go to the standard DWM suckless. Oh, great, he loads already whatever I want here. So DWM, where should I get my link? Our old archives, links, downloads. I guess it's gonna be here. Oh, it's a zip. I actually wanted to have a GitHub or something, but here is the GitHub. So I guess we'll just take the tar gz. I think that's best. Click here, right mouse click, extract here, delete the thing. We have this thing. This is what we have. Okay, Control X. Eric is going to config, Control V, and we have, where are you, my friend? This guy and that guy. What's the difference? What did we, well, Steven, what did Steven do to add all these things, these goodies, right? Now we've never, our intention is never to bloat DWM. We want to have a minimal one, fast one, minimal one, but not just patch everything in. That's not the idea. The best things are in there, but not everything. So what's new? The PyCom toggle script is new. So this is what you do, right? You compare. You don't want to see the same things. You want to see what's new and what's modified. That's meld for you. So the scripts, the sexy hotkey daemon, right? And the auto start. So there's something new, auto start. And this is where it gets interesting. You have here a config h. Here it's not. Here's the def h. And then that's all the differences. That's a lot of code, a lot of tags, lots of menu things, changes in spaces, of course, that's not important. But all these lines are extra elements that are not in the standard DWM. So that's this one to the right. That's the def h, just the def h. And you have this guy, okay. So one thing is less, more actually, Alex render. And then the C, all kind of, so when you patch, when you put in more code from a patch, you're going to change things, add lines, add commands, elements that were used to be there are not there anymore, and stuff like that. So deleting, adding, it's changing, it's all in there. And it's an interesting exercise for me, certainly, since I've not developed it. So go and have a look and see what the differences are. Lots of things. The sys-tray, if you don't put anything in here, these guys are not in there. Standard, they're not. Standard, they're not. So sys-tray is in here. Now by default on ArcoLinux. And there are more things like update sys-tray. You see there are more elements that come from patches. And the line goes on and on and on and on and on, right? So that's for another day to check that out. And these are all guys from us. So this is just a line. Say, okay, guys, this is it. That's the patches we include. We are already working on the next version of DWM with more patches. But there's no intent whatsoever to have here a bloat of 100 patches. No, very small, but great. PyCom is here. Self-start C is here. Yeah. And then here we have Shift View C, System Overview. That's just a conky. So yeah, it's our idea to help you guys. And Tatami C, which I think we're gonna get rid in the next version. So that's a good exercise. This lefting is us, that righting is DWM. And I was just thinking, what if I include in this little video that I say to you guys, I can make you have DWM, the standard ArcoLinux thing right now. Well, from suckless, right? This is the suckless thing. So right mouse click, open the terminal here. Then you type make, and you type sudo make install. That was it. Then let's not sudo reboot, but let's a super X, log out, and log in. Now we have the standard DWM with the standard configurations and all that, which personally I don't know anymore. So super T, Control T, that's Plasma that's kicking in. So super enter, nope, super, I believe super P, D menu if it's available, no, Alt, Alt. So his key is not a super key as main key, but Alt P, and then we can launch Tuner, for example. And we're looking now at the look and the feel of this thing. And super T, what was it again? Oh, I tend to forget it again. Super P, T, Alt T, Alt P. It's all right. Phew. Right? So this is the look from DWM. It's not, doesn't have gaps. It's not, well, colored the way we like it. There is no keyboard. There's no ls status. There is no system keyboard. I mean system icons there, and it's just a reference saying, hey, this is DWM 6.2. But we could have guessed that when we installed it. Again, the 55 is put, so this left window is 55%, and this one is then 45, which gives us it's a feeling of it's off, it's broken. So we've put it back to 50-50, which feels much better for us. How do I need to get it back, right? How to get rid of this? Well, this thing again. So as long as you know, the thing we're looking at is an application, is a thing with all zeros and ones. It's built. So we need to build again our ArcoLinux DWM to get back to what we used to have. Right? So it's not really a desktop, it's an application that's running. So what we did here is make and make install with the parameters of suckless, and what we do here is the same with the parameters of ArcoLinux. So let's go, and I probably can't quit this thing, so let me navigate to it. That's easier for me. AZERTY keyboard, right? Arco DWM, and this is where we are, right? This is the Tuner thing, and that's the terminal thing, and that's where we are. Only thing I do is make and sudo make install, because sudo, it needs to go and write it there. Where? There. That's where it needs to write, so it needs to be sudo for it, and that's it. Now I need to quit at some way. The question is, how do I quit? With super X we quit. So there must be some kind of quitting thing, and I can't really do Control Alt Backspace, which is a great one, but not in a virtual machine, because everything shuts down then. That's not the point, right? So in here somewhere I should find a way to quit, right? Control find, how do I quit this thing? Mod Shift Mask Q. So Mod Shift Q. Yeah, cool. So that the mod was the Alt and the Shift is a Shift, and then Q. So now we're going to go back in the only thing we have, but our ArcoLinux again. You see? And everything launches back. Everything has a status, the keys are here. It's different. It's still DWM I mean, but it's still our thing. and everything gonna work again. Control F, Firefox is there. We have 50/50 here, and so on. So just a quick look, a comparison between the two. And like always, and certainly this one, is a work in progress. So we're already making a new version. I'm trying out some other stuff and try to improve it. All right, cheers.